We are still working our way through the grand amount of eyeshadow palettes that Lurella gave us earlier this year in a mystery box. And this one has a Halloween theme. So we decided to go with a Halloween theme. This one is called Pick Your Poison, and it is still available on their Lurella website for, it's either $12 to $14, somewhere in that price range. What are you doing? Oh, you found the mirror. Yes, I found the mirror. This palette is unique in that it is magnetic. So the top lifts off, and on the other side, there is a mirror. I went to look in the mirror. Are you sure about that? It is Halloween time. Well, I thought I was sure. Yes, I want to look in the mirror. Okay. Okay, I am done looking in the mirror. I think I want to do swatches now. Okay, let's do some swatches. These are the shades in the Pick Your Poison palette. And here we go with some swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, the team of the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching. Oh boy, this feather outfit is fluffy. Yes, it is. We have feathers fluffing everywhere. I also made some eye looks from that palette. For her first Halloween eye look, she took a little bit of this shade called Harmful and put it around the brow bone and down into what would be the crease area. She then took Poisonous for the outer corner. She then went with Venomous across the lid, blended the two together, and then went back to this one for a little more effect in the outer corner, and finished up with a nice healthy dollop of Venom in the middle, resulting in a bit of a shimmer. To achieve this eye look, she started with this shade again under the brow bone and into the area that would be the crease. She then went over to Baneful and got that in the inner corner and started coming across the eyelid. She then hit Toxic for the outer corner and brought in some of Pathogenic on top of that, blended them together a little bit, and then came back and got some more Baneful and brought that over into the center of the lid to give a bit of a sparkle and a light pink shade that she is more accustomed to doing. Leave a comment down below as to which eye look you liked the best. I liked the second one better than the first, I think. What a noises we're hearing? I'm not hearing any noises. What are you hearing? You're not hearing that? No. Did you hear that? I'm hearing things. Didn't you hear that? She's not hearing it. Oh my God, is she a witch and she can't hear it? Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, and notification bell because we've got all kinds of fun stuff coming up. Hope to see you in another video. Yes, hope to see you soon.